Alrighty, guys. So I figured the best way to test kind of the difference between the two speakers, the stock speakers, which I currently have, and the new speakers, would be kind of do a sound test. So essentially, what I did was I downloaded a decibel tester, and I'm gonna kind of be playing the music full blast, so you can hear how the stock speakers sound, and then we'll do the same thing with the new speakers. And of course, I'm going to be doing it with the same song. We're just doing a song by The Weeknd, which has some good bass in it, different lows and highs that kind of give a good example of how the speakers work. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up. That's all the way up, 38, and play it stock speakers.
Someone else, she wasn't even half of you. Reminiscing how you felt, and even though you want my life to hell, I can't seem to forget about you. I want you to myself. Now I'm asking who you belong to now. Who you give my love to now? Who you pulling out of? Who you giving strength for now? Don't wanna become a liar, cause I got love. Don't make me wanna fall, got me blowing up the spot. 'Cause I ain't got no business, got you feeling crazy. I ain't got no business, got you feeling, got you feeling. These girls only want you when you in there. What you do with me from the beginning. And I know right now we're not talking. I hope you know this thing is still in motion. Sorry, I took my time to learn the way your body functions. You are a street, so ride it like a champion. This sex will get you high if I know I'm a surfer. Who you belong to now? Who you give my love to now? Who you pulling out of? Who you giving strength for now? I think of that I ain't got, 'cause I got a lot. Don't make me wanna bottle, got me blowing up this spot. I ain't got no business, got your feelings anyway. I ain't got no business, got your feelings. Got your wake up. I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. If you ain't laying next to me, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. If you ain't laying next to me.
So I'm not sure how well you could hear that or couldn't hear that, but basically every time the bass drops, the speakers get super distorted. It just doesn't sound good. And the acoustics, certain parts of them don't sound good either. They're where they get distorted, and it's They said, I don't know how well they pick up on camera, but it doesn't sound good at all. And again, like I said, I don't know how accurate, a phone decibel tester is. But it says that the max decibel that we reached was 84. So, yeah, if I use the same tester and the decibel goes up, then we know that it worked. The main thing I'm looking for is, better clarity for the music, and when the bass hits, that it doesn't just get distorted and sound terrible like it currently does. So I'm looking forward to making that change. I think, like I said, I think the speaker upgrade that we're about to do tomorrow will be a massive upgrade.